Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a gamer, you know how annoying it can be when Steam refuses to log you in and throws the dreaded error code E84. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This method is simple, works in 2025, and only takes a couple of minutes. So let's jump right in. The E84 error usually pops up when Steam detects too many failed login attempts from your device or network in a short period of time. It's basically Steam's way of protecting your account, but sometimes it locks you out even when you've done nothing wrong. Step 1. Close Steam completely. Make sure it's not just minimized. Go down to your taskbar, right-click the Steam icon, and choose Exit. This helps clear out any temporary session or background glitch that might be triggering the error. Step 2. Restart your computer. It sounds simple, but restarting refreshes all running processes and clears out any hidden bugs that could be conflicting with Steam. Once your PC is back up, try launching Steam again. If it still shows the E84 error, don't panic. Here's the real fix. Step 3. Right-click your Steam shortcut and select Properties. In the window that opens, click on the Shortcut tab. Now look for the field labeled Target. It's the box that shows the path to your steam.exe file. After the quotation marks at the end of that path, add a space and type this exactly: -login -noriact login. This small change tells Steam to use its classic login method instead of the new React-based interface, which is often the source of the E84 issue. Once you've added it, click Apply, then OK and launch Steam again. You should now be able to log in normally. No error, no hassle, and your game's ready to go. So, to recap, exit Steam, restart your computer, adjust the target field with -login -noriac login, and your problem should be gone for good. And that's it. Your Steam is fixed. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and drop a comment if you've got other issues you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy gaming.